What's going on YouTube? CJ here from the Trading Collective. Today we're going to be talking about Whalestream some more. If you guys didn't see the last video, we're recently partnered with Whalestreams. I wanted to show you guys a little bit more about them and some of the filter settings that I use. So without further ado, let's roll into the video. Alright guys, so we're looking at the Whalestream dashboard right now. I'm going to show you some of my favorite settings. And it's going to be about 5 different, maybe 6 different filters that we're going to put on. So first things first, we're going to remove the ETF and index option flow. And then what we'll do is we'll also go to premium price, premium minimum. We're going to want 250,000 minimum order size. And then I also like to put on aggressive, either aggressive orders or we can do out of the money. So you can see right there in the background, out of the money, you can see it's a much larger number than aggressive orders, because aggressive orders are going to be 35 days and out of the money. Less than 35 days expiration and out of the money. So that's just showing us right here. Tesla, highly unusual, aggressive. We're also seeing all of these orders are sweeps. We're able to see the timestamps of when these came in. So this was from Friday. We're seeing a couple at the open, one in the afternoon, and then one just before close, puts in the morning, and then calls in the later in the afternoon. So we can pull that filter off, the aggressive orders, and we can just put out of the money. And then another setting that I really like to have here is at ask and above ask checked on. And then we're able to see all the flow real time as it's coming in. So anything that's popping up on this filter for me is worth looking at, especially it's going to be on my watch list. A lot of that is going to be in the tech sector, as well as oil and energy. So just looking right off the bat, ZOM, yes, I'm looking at that. Meta, I'm looking at that. Tesla, I'm looking at that. Twitter, Apple, Lyft, I'm looking at those. FSLR, I used to trade that a bunch. I don't trade anymore, but these trades over $1 million, these are actually written at the ask. So these would be worth looking at. We're seeing some MU, Apple, Tesla, Snow. We're also able to see expiration dates with some of these. And with the new order X-ray feature, we can actually go into Tesla, into this contract here. We can actually look at a chart for where that was purchased, which was right at the close. We could see how the option fluctuated over the day. We can even see dark pool and equity levels, so we can see where there's major support and resistance. We can also check on order flow levels. We can also include sales as well. So this is how I like to use Whalestreams. Those are some of the filter settings that I like to use. Anything that pops up on those is going to be worth looking into, especially if it's going to be within the tickers that I'm familiar with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again in the next one. Thank you a bunch, Whalestream, for sponsoring this video. Take care, everybody.